Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make canned tuna fish. First, select fresh tuna, ideally albacore or yellowfin, for the best flavor and texture. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh tuna for a good batch. Ensure your canning jars and lids are sterilized and ready for use. This process ensures safety and extends shelf life significantly. We'll cover all the steps to preserve your catch perfectly. Next, prepare your tuna for canning. Clean and cut the fresh tuna into pieces that fit comfortably inside your canning jars. Pack the tuna tightly into pint or half-pint jars, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. For seasoning, add a half teaspoon of salt to each pint jar, or a 1/4 teaspoon if you are using half-pint jars. No liquid is needed, as the tuna will create its own during processing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Your support truly helps the channel grow. On another note, if you're looking to change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the crucial canning process. Place the filled jars into your pressure canner, ensuring proper spacing between them for even heat distribution. Process pint jars for 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, adjusting for altitude if necessary. Once the processing time is complete, allow the canner to cool completely and naturally depressurize before removing the sealed jars. This ensures a safe and effective seal for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.